Instant Pot is a Canadian company that offers a variety of multi-cooker options. That's why we narrowed them down by going through their current pots. One of the most significant advantages of owning an Instant Pot is its sealed-in, compact design. The last thing you want to do on a hot day is pour over a hot stove, but the best Instant Pot will do all the cooking for you and keep your kitchen from overheating while it works. When your meals are finished, you can expect to place all removable parts in the dishwasher to eliminate all effort. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best Instant Pot to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp is one of the most useful and feature-filled cookers you can get. With many presets, swappable lids, and powerful capabilities, the Duo Crisp can cook, dehydrate, saute, steam, broil, air fry, and much more. The Duo Crisp is an 11-in-1 multi-cooker with a ton of functionality packed into it. To achieve it, this cooker has 2 swappable lids. The normal pressure lid is used for wet functions or functions that need water, like slow cook, pressure cook, saute, steam, and sous vide. The domed air fryer lid is instead used for anything that doesn't need water, like air fry, broil, roast, and dehydrate food. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp also features Instant Pot's patented Even Crisp technology, which allows you to air fry your food by quickly circulating the air inside to get a quick frying experience that leaves your food crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. The Duo Crisp is a large, somewhat bulky multi-cooker with the classic sleek Instant Pot design and a very simple control panel. This control panel has individual buttons for each function, taking out the guesswork of setting it up to cook something. All that's needed to set it up is to select the cooking option, set up the right lid, and you're cooking. If you're looking for an appliance that can do as much as both a multi-cooker and an air fryer and can live with waiting a bit longer for a perfect air fryer experience, the Duo Crisp is a perfect option. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Plus V4. Now, if you're tight on budget, the 8QT Instant Pot Duo Plus is one of the most affordable pressure cookers from the brand. Though it's a classic model, it's been refreshed with the latest features. It's sleeker and features a safer vent release, which has been the standard lid design for newer models. In terms of cooking functions, it's a 9-in-1 pressure cooker with 15 smart programs. On top of pressure cooking, it can also slow cook, make yogurt, rice, steam, saute, sous vide, sterilize, and keep your food warm. This newest version of the Instant Pot Duo Plus V4 offers a sleek new look and updated control panel features. In addition to being a superb pressure cooker, this 6-quart model has 8 additional cooking modes: slow cooker, rice, steam, saute, yogurt, sous vide, cake, and keep warm. With this 9-in-1, all your cooking bases are covered. The real game changer for us is its amazing ability to cook delicious fall-off-the-bone meats. The Duo Plus can also whip up a decent helping of rice, but it is also a little more temperamental when it's time to saute. Finally, we really appreciate the Duo's Plus interactive control panel that sends text alerts on the status of the cooking process, as well as alerts on possible complications. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro Crisp. While it's advertised as an 11-in-1 pressure cooker, it's actually more than that. We counted every appliance, cookware it replaces. The Instant Pro Crisp turns out to be a 16-in-1 kitchen appliance. In those 16 functions, the most prominent one is certainly air frying. Having both the air fry and pressure cook function lets you elevate your regular dishes to a professional level. The most important thing about pressure cooking is making tender and juicy recipes without breaking a sweat. In fact, that's what makes Instant Pot worth every penny. With an air fry program on your pressure cooker, you can do all the complex methods in just one pot. So, after pressure cooking, you can still air fry to achieve crispy skin with ease. In other words, all you have to worry about is switching the lids. More importantly, you have fewer parts to clean later on. Also, thanks to Even Crisp airflow technology, your food will evenly cook all throughout. Compared to a full-size version, you don't need to wait as long when preheating. Plus, it's more energy efficient. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer is a fantastic multifunctional appliance. With this ability to both pressure cook and air fry, the possible recipes are simply endless. Moreover, thanks to its 8-quart capacity, it can fit more food, whether for air frying or pressure cooking. Number 2. Instant Pot Ultra. The Instant Pot Ultra 10-in-1 features 16 built-in programs, including rice, cake, sterilization, eggs, and many more. This Instant Pot also features fully customizable temperature options for sautéing and slow cooking, and you can also make yogurt, keep your food warm, and of course a delayed start. The Instant Pot Ultra product line is one of my favorite models. It's equipped with a touch interface and a modern turn dial. Minimalism is one of its best traits, but it doesn't make it what it's without talking about the Ultra mode. It's more like a bonus function, where you can adjust the temperature, pressure, and duration, more like a programmable function. But I'm not sure if you can save settings like the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. Still, it's a powerful feature as far as the pressure cooker world is concerned. Despite being an older model, it has more to offer than its more up-to-date sibling. It's available in 3 sizes, plus its 6-quart variant is fully compatible with air fryer attachment. The best scorer of Instant Pot Ultra has to be the steam release valve. The machine separates the valve and the vent, making it safer and more accessible than older versions and other brands. Overall, the Instant Pot Ultra is a multi-purpose 10-in-1 kitchen appliance with 16 customizable smart programs for an easier job. Plus, it's available in mini 3-quart, 6-quart, or hefty 8-quart depending on your needs. Best of all, the vent and steam release valve are apart, making it safer to operate. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro. The Instant Pot Pro is now our first choice recommendation for a high-end pressure cooker thanks to the flat-bottom cooking pot with handles, redesigned lid, large display, and favorite buttons. The Instant Pot Pro is the latest model of electric pressure cooker made by Instant Pot. It's currently available in a 6-quart and 8-quart model. It has 8 preset buttons on the side and a dial you can use to toggle through up to 28 customizable cooking programs. Unlike most pressure cookers on the market, the Pro stainless steel cooking pot has a flat bottom, handles, and can transfer to the stovetop or oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We really love the handles. When you place the pot in the housing, the handles lock the cooking pot in place so it doesn't move while you're stirring. Plus, they give you a good grip on the pot when you remove it. Even though they added favorite buttons to the console, the display is still clear, easy to read, and packed with information about what's going on inside the cooking pot. One of our happy surprises on Instant Pot Pro are the favorite buttons. If there are recipes you find yourself making over and over again, you can create your own preset. With the vent reminder option, you can tell your Pro to beep once when the cook time starts, once the cook time ends, and save the repeated beep for 5 or 10 minutes after the cook time has ended. The Instant Pot Pro lid uses a switch to release the pressure, which keeps your hand further from the steam. In addition, it uses a steam release cover that makes the pressure release more gentle when you release the pressure. Also, the switch automatically resets to the sealing position when you open the lid. The Instant Pot Pro has a 1-year limited warranty. They have great customer service, but don't forget to register within 30 days of purchase to be eligible. Choosing the best Instant Pot can be difficult. After all, it's a broad line with a variety of functions and capacities to choose from. This includes the Duo, Pro, and Crisp lines, each of which has subtle differences that make them better suited to certain users than others. However, getting the best Instant Pot is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.